This coming April 6th, we will be asking voters to consider a no tax levy increase bond issue that, if passed, would provide a new middle school near Platte Purchase and Highway 152. The first phase of the Platte County High School's rebuild, improvements to Berry and Pathfinder to convert each to a comprehensive pre-K through 5th grade environment, along with district-wide upgrades.
The heart of the community is the school district.
I love being part of the community.
It really is a family atmosphere.
People see that. They see the camaraderie between the staff and the students.
We really work to support our students.
Everything's built on pride and tradition, and it's stayed that way for all the time that I've been here, and that's been one of the reasons why I've wanted to stay.
That pride and tradition, I think that's the grounding of this district, but then the willingness to move forward.
First and foremost, we are growing, and so we need more space. We also want to make sure that we have high-quality facilities.
The future is about collaboration, and collaboration between staff, collaboration with students across disciplines, and with the way the building is structured, we're very physically far apart from each other. And I think the rebuild will really allow us to address that.
You know, when this high school was built, it was built for a smaller population. The hallways are narrow.
There's a loop in some areas, but then it's just a horseshoe here.
The cafeteria does not service the student population.
As the numbers go up, we've got to be able to provide the same environments and learning experiences we had when we went to high school here.
I teach currently in a room that doesn't have a sink, so if you walked in my room right now, you would see 2 tubs. One's the clean water, one's the wastewater. We make do, but it's not ideal.
So we have taken a step back and looked at this high school comprehensively. We dug into the building with architects and engineers. It made more sense to do a phased rebuild than to do a renovate in place.
Some of the deepest and most meaningful relationships that staff members can build with kids are built through athletics and activities. There are a lot of areas that I feel a school district our size really needs to improve. Probably the most obvious is our gym space in our high school. It's tough for us to host some of the bigger events. Just another way we can promote all the great things we're doing at Platte County.
I think a new middle school in this area would accommodate the overcrowding that is happening at the elementary school. It would also provide more adequate and equitable facilities for our middle schoolers. This facility, it's a nice facility, but the library is kind of small. The cafeteria definitely is small for middle schoolers. It's just not the most ideal learning environment.
Most of the teams from here are bused up there to join the middle school teams, which is okay, but when it comes to games, when it comes to being able to host things down here, it doesn't work as well.
While the 14 miles will never change, I think investing down to the south end, I think that'll bring us closer together.
What we do matters. Facilities matter.
I really think that this is a chance for us with this bond issue to allow our kids to have that continued success. And this is an opportunity for our school district and our community to come together and to make that happen.